I'm going to teach you how to sway your hips for hula. So first, you're gonna have your heels about hip width apart, and you're going to point your toes slightly out. So instead of straight, they're slightly turned out. Now the second step is you're going to bend your knees as deep as you can. I teach the Iha'a style, which is deep bending. If you cannot bend as deep, just bend a little less, but depending how deep you bend is the amount of sway that you are going to do. If you bend a little, your sway is going to be small. If you bend a lot, your sway is going to be large. Okay, so now we're gonna be switching the weight. Once we bend down deep, we're gonna be switching the weight to one side and pushing the hip to the side without stretching the leg completely. Side. So we're not stretching the leg all the way, it's still bent. But we're switching the weight fully to this foot, right? Now we sway to the other side, and we have most of the weight on this leg now. This foot is in the floor for now, but all the weight is on this leg. And again, I'm not stretching the leg all the way, I'm not locking it, it's still there. Now, when we do that, we're gonna keep the alignment of our shoulders, hips, and ankles. Meaning, once you bend, you don't wanna go like this. You wanna remain here in alignment. Heels, even if your knees are bent, heels, hips, shoulders. The upper body must be very, very straight, but not overly arched. We're just neutral and straight. Core is engaged. So we sway to one side, we sway to the other. Now that you have that, we're going to be adding the foot rolling, because that is part of the Iha'a style. So the foot rolling, meaning you're gonna be lifting your heels from the floor, peeling, so that you can naturally release more of your leg to push further out the hip, right? If you feel it right now, you bend down, do not peel your heels, just feel and push the hip to the side. And you're gonna feel how it comes a point where your body just stops because your heel is on the floor, right? Once you let go of the heel, once you let your heel lift, 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 your hip opens even wider. Make sure you're keeping your shoulders in place, not bouncing up and down. So you have complete mastery of your body, complete control. Now I'll show you from the side. Once you bend down, and now for hula practice, the palms go here. But once you're dancing, they can go anywhere depending on your song. But for now, you want to keep your palms here in this position. The hands will be straight, flat, fingertips together, and they will be at the center of your body without touching each other, without overlapping, without hanging down like this. Elbows are gonna be straight, palms are gonna be straight, and they are slightly below your elbows. They are not elbow level, they're not neck level, they're not belly level, they're just slightly below, almost in your sternum, where your sternum here ends. Shoulders are relaxed, elbows are lifted, never droopy. Okay, whole body is engaged. So now let's practice together. Get your feet, knees down, and begin to sway to one side and the other. And this is how you do the sway to dance hula. This step, by the way, it's called the cow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!